Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to delete your optional keyboards on your iPhone. So here I will like to show you how or what the keyboards that I have. So open the app library and just type in the search button, and to know the keyboards that I have, you just need to go click these globes symbols. So this is the English keyboards. I also have the Indonesian keyboards. I also have these English keyboards. Okay, wait a minute. I have this mobile banking keyboard, Grammarly keyboards, Korean keyboards, and Arabic keyboards. And I will like to delete several of them. So to do that, you just need to go back into your home screen and open your settings. Right after that, you need to go click the general. The general part, and after that you just need to scrolling down until you found keyboard. Right after you found the keyboard, you just need to go click the first rows, and you just need to pick which keyboards that you want to delete. I think here I will let to delete the Grammarly, so you just need to slide the keyboard that you want to delete into the left side, and there will be a delete button. So you just need to go click the delete part, and the keyboards already disappear. So it will be the same for the rest. I will let to delete the Korean as well as the Arabic. Delete, and now you're done. So that's the way how to delete the optional keyboards on your iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll let to see you for the next tutorial.